I know you watch all my videos sitting on the couch, and most of you have even agreed upon this and have actually told me that you save all the videos but you never make the time to do these exercises. So I'm here to motivate you sitting on a couch doing the same exercises which I will bring to you so you can also lose your belly fat. The best part about these exercises is that they are actually beginner friendly. You can do it in the comfort of your own home watching your favorite TV show. That too, just sitting on a couch. Many of my clients have also benefited from these very exercises which I bring to you today because they wanted a slim waist and a flat belly, which I'm sure many of my clients have achieved a slim waist and a flat belly doing these very exercises, which I'm sure many of you aspire to. But in the process, you feel so demotivated because you have to do difficult and strenuous exercises. But today, nothing of that. Just today, easy exercises sitting on a couch. Many of you often use this very cushion to hide your belly fat when you're sitting on a couch, but now no more. This very couch is going to come in handy to do these very exercises. But first, why don't you comment below and tell me which is the series that you're watching nowadays and which is your favorite TV show? And if your show matches with mine, then do comment below. I'm going to give you a big heart. I just can't wait to show you these exercises. Now let's say bye-bye to the belly fat. The first exercise is like this. And now we are going to do the leg movement also along with this. Like this. Keep your core muscles tucked in tight. Well done! So proud of all of you. Now let me show you the next exercise, which is high knee raises with the help of the cushion, like this. You have to touch the cushion with your knees. Well done! So proud of all of you. Now the next exercise is to go sideways, keeping the cushion in your hand and trying to twist as sideways as you can for the stretch along your side belly area. Let's do it together. Well done! The next exercise is going to give you double benefit. It's not just good for your belly fat, but also help you reduce your thigh fat, be it your outer thigh fat or your inner thigh fat. With the help of a cushion, you're going to juggle it under your thighs like this, and that's it. Well done! Now coming on to the last exercise. It's so simple and easy, you're gonna love it. There you go. Well done! So proud of all of you. Just try reaching out to your toe as much as you can while doing this exercise, and I'm sure you enjoyed today's exercises. So if you've enjoyed today's exercises and today's workout, don't forget to give a thumbs up to my channel. And I know you surely have enjoyed it, so please save this workout because this is the best workout you can get sitting in the comfort of your own home just like this. And if you want more such workouts, then please comment below, yes, I want more. And if you're looking for a paid customized diet plan where you want to lose weight under the guidance of a doctor, dietitian and the health counselor, the entire team comes together to give you your achieved and your desired results. For that, you just have to click on the link given below in the description and you can contact me, because this is how I will be helping you achieve your transformation, which is no less than a dream come true. So I hope you sincerely have enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, then please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell notification. I'll see you soon again next week. Until then, take care and goodbye.